Hi there, Alan Jones here from Lloyds Classic Car Auctions, and today I will be presenting a 2017 Holden VF GTS LSA Commodore. This stunning car remains in showroom condition with clear vinyl protection wrap and indicates only 2,294 kilometres on the clock. What makes this car so unique is that it is one of 25 in this colour and one of only 13 in automatic with a sunroof, featuring a 430 kilowatt LSA engine, a leather interior, 6-speed automatic transmission. This classic will be going under the hammer on Saturday, July 30th from 10 AM. For more information, visit lloydsauctions.com.au or call us on 1800 456 588. Happy bidding and good luck.